Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete blockchain account. First, you just need to open your blockchain application. Now enter your PIN code that you have set for your account. Now you just need to wait until the app is loaded. Now tap on this man icon here at the top left corner, and from here you just need to scroll all the way down and tap on delete account button here. Now tap on it, and from here you can just be sure. It will ask for the confirmation that if you are sure that you want to delete your blockchain account. So if you are sure that you want to delete it, then you can just tap on delete account here. Now after that, you just need to type delete my account to confirm that you are conscious about this deletion of your account, like this. And here you just need to tap on this delete account option here, this button here, and here you can see they have successfully deleted my account. So that's how you can just delete your delete the blockchain account easily. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.